Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. We'll continue with the previous questions format. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation 2x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0, find 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Take the given quadratic equation and write the coefficients of that a equal to b equal to c equal to, and write the steps to find 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. First simplify this one. 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square can be written as, taking LCM we get beta square plus alpha square, that can be written as alpha square plus beta square. But according to the a plus b whole square formula, if you make a square plus b square subject, we get this one guys, alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta whole square. Substitute the sum of the values and product of the roots and sum of the roots in this equation and simplify. We get minus 19 by 49 guys. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you.